Hi there guys, it's Adam here from Southport Automart. I'm just here today to show you around this Tucson that has just landed with us. 2016 on a 16 registration. It is the 1.7 manual blue drive variant, diesel. Brilliant condition. It has just landed with us and will obviously undergo a full premium valet. Live priced at 13,465, a low mileage example, and I will confirm the exact mileage for you in just a second. Hasn't yet been through the valet bay, but obviously I just wanted to get a video on. So we have a tow bar just down there. Nice retractable parcel shelf there. There is just obviously something that we will be getting done. There is just a slight abrasion on the rear bumper. All the alloy wheels appear to be completely unmarked. Has just been part exchanged into us by a lady and gentleman that's purchased another Tucson that we had in stock. They seem to be quite popular. So we've got blue black cloth interior. We've also got power fold mirrors, obviously when you lock and unlock the car. We've got a multifunction steering wheel, so there's a lot going on here. So we've got cruise control, and a voice control with telephone communications buttons on the left hand side. We've got lane departure warning there. Good thing is about Hyundai, they do have a tendency to give you a lot of extras without the necessity to pay any more for them. The current mileage on the car is 28,344 miles. Climate control just down here. We've got 3-mode heated seats for both driver and passenger. Media streaming. We've got phone communication. Just pop it into reverse. We've also got rear parking sensors, which obviously just comes up on there. That's obviously just your driver assistance display in there too. From a service perspective, we have, there we go. So service book is present. We have the first service being carried out at 9,964 miles. That was in September 2018, and then the secondary service being carried out at 25,988 miles. So it's not actually long been done. That was only done in April of this year. So we will carry out an oil and filter on the car, just so obviously you've got fresh lights and levels all around. Other specification includes hill descent. We've got obviously different driving modes for the steering, as you can see there, interchangeable. Like I say, parking sensors. It is a stop-start engine as well. The 1.7 blue drive is extremely economical. If you are interested in this car, please don't hesitate to give us a call. The easiest way to do that is on 01704 332 415, and obviously we can answer anything from finance quotations on the vehicle, part exchange valuations, or anything else you may need really. But thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care. Bye bye.